beautiful and handsome faces right now. So let's start our class. And may I invite Ms. Makadangdang to offer up the opening prayer. Oh, thank you, Ms. Makadangdang, for leading us in the opening prayer. So now, let me check your attendance. If your name is called, state your favorite food instead of saying present. Okay, let's start. Oh, very good. Perfect attendance. So now, let's proceed to our activity. So I'll group the class into two. This one is group 1 and this one is group 2. I have here strips of paper with words and pictures which you are going to pair up, and after pairing up, you'll paste it in the board. The first group to finish will receive chocolates. Okay, congratulations group 1 for finishing the activity first and for pasting it with correct words and pictures. So you'll be receiving your rewards later. So what did you observe in our activity? You observe that, or you learn that it is the different, or these are different tools and equipments in the kitchen, or it is used in making desserts. So now, let's broaden our understanding. Or may I ask, which of the following tools and equipments are new to you? Which of these following? Oh, oven and gas range. Oh, because we don't actually have this in our homes. And this one, electric mixer, because we use fork in beating eggs. So let's broaden our understanding by discussing how these tools and equipments are used. So let's discuss, or let's talk about the temperature scales. Any idea how is it used? Okay, Miss Makadangdang again. Oh, temperature scales. As you have said, it is used to measure the temperature or the heat of the oven or the food. Next one is the blender. How is it used? So the blender is used to chop, grate, or liquefy solid ingredients. Next one is the electric mixer. As you have said, it's new to you. Electric mixer is used for whipping creams or for beating eggs. Next one is the rubber scraper. So the rubber scraper is used to scrape foods in the mixing bowl. So next is the spatula. The spatula is used to level the frostings in the cake or the icing. Next is the oven and gas range. Oven and gas range, any idea how is it used? Oh, thank you so much, Miss Villorente. So oven and gas range is used for cooking foods. You may use it in baking or in frying the top of it. Next is the refrigerator and freezer. So it is where we store our foods to make it cool, because desserts are delicious to be eaten when it is cold. So do you have questions or clarifications about these matters or about these pictures? Oh, none so far. Very good. So for you, why is it important to know the different tools and equipments and its following uses? Yes, it's great to know about it, because if we use the following tools and equipment in its proper uses, we will end up in making a perfect output. So now let's transfer to another part of our room to learn more about the different tools and equipments in the kitchen. So now we're here in the other side of our room to learn about these different tools and equipments. So now, let's discuss first about the measuring spoon. Measuring spoon is used in measuring small quantity of ingredients like salt, baking powder, yeast, or baking soda. This one is the measuring cup. It is used to measure solid ingredients like flour, breadcrumbs, and other solid ingredients. This one is the liquid or the glass measuring cup. It is used, as what I've said, it is used in measuring liquid ingredients. Next is the cutting board. This cutting board is used when we chop or cut foods. This one is sifter. It is used when we sift flour so that the lumps on the flour will be sifted. Next one is the mixing bowl. Mixing bowl, it is where our mixtures are mixed together like butter, egg, or cream. This one is the baking pan. Baking pan, it is where our mixtures are molded together. If we want it circle, we use circle baking pan. Next one is the knife, the kitchen knife. The kitchen knife is used in cutting ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. Next is the can opener. From the word itself, can, it is used in opening cans. Next one is the spoon. Spoon? Yes, you're familiar with it. Spoon is used in scooping solid ingredients or liquid ingredients, or it is used when we taste foods in the mixture. Next one is the wooden ladle. Wooden ladle is used in mixing ingredients in the mixing bowl. Next is the funnel. Funnels are used to transfer liquid ingredients into a jar to avoid spoilage. Next is kitchen shears. It's different from the scissors. It is used in the kitchen only. It is used in opening plastic containers or cellophanes in the kitchen. Next is the peeler. The peeler is used to peel or scrape fruits and vegetables. Next is the electric mixer. It is the portable electric mixer. It is used in mixing ingredients or in whipping cream. Next one is the molder. It is the leche plan molder, macaron molders, and torta molders. It is also used in cupcakes if you want. Next is the grater. It is where we grate our cheese, carrots, and other ingredients. Next one is the whisk. It is where we whisk or we beat our eggs. We use it in beating eggs in the mixing bowl or in our bowl. Next is the tongue. It is used when we pick ingredients or we pick our cook materials in the frying pan or in the oven to avoid contact in hot surfaces. So any questions? None so far? Very good. To check if you really understand what I'm discussing right now, I will assign or I will group you into 4. This one is group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So you will be demonstrating in front of the class, each group, the different or the uses of the different tools and equipments using the following criteria. So the criteria would be accuracy, 10 points, proper use of material, 10 points, and teamwork, 5 points. Okay, let's proceed. Thank you for all your participation, and I am really happy for your performances. And congratulations for the group 2 for gaining 23 points out of 25 points in our criteria. So for our assignment, in a 1/2 sheet of paper crosswise, you will research about the different classifications of desserts because that will be our topic for tomorrow. So to end this meeting, may I invite Mr. Pabino to offer the closing prayer. And we will be dismissed afterwards.